Culture is actually celebration of the best of life. If we don't celebrate what is best in our lives, then we don't deserve life. And if cinema is the most powerful medium of expression ever invented by human beings, in that case, cinema has to become the medium of expressing the best of our culture. We need to be proud of our culture. We need to be able to celebrate it again and again and again.
Civil society has a bigger role to play, whether it is films or theatre.
People are asking, people enjoy କରୁଛନ୍ତି, feel କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ଭଳିଆ and ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆର୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଯେଉଁ କହନ୍ତି ଫୁଲଫିଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ କିଛି ହେଇପାରିବନି।